Good morning, children. Today we are going to study the finite sets, equal sets, and equivalent sets. First of all, we will study the empty set. Empty set means the set which does not contain any element is called the empty set, or it is also called null set or void set. Empty set is denoted by simply curly braces or this phi. An example of an empty set is, suppose we have a set A which is equal to x such that x lies between 1 and 2 and it is a natural number. Then it is an empty set because there is no natural number which is lying between 1 and 2. Next is finite and infinite sets. Finite set means a set which is empty or contains a definite number of elements is called finite set. And a set which is non-empty or do not contain a definite number of elements is called an infinite set. For example, set of natural numbers, integers, reals, all these sets, they are infinite set because they are having infinite number of elements. Some more examples of finite and infinite sets. X such that x belongs to n and x minus 1, x minus 2 equals 0. Here, the solution of this equation will be x equal to 1 and 2. So, it is a finite set. Another is x such that x belongs to n and 2x minus 1 is 0. Again, the solution of this is x equal to half, which is finite. So, it is a finite set. X belongs to n and x is the prime number. X belongs to n and x is odd. Here, in the third and fourth case, it is having infinite number of elements. So, these two are infinite sets. Next is equal sets. Two sets A and B are said to be equal if they have exactly the same elements, and in that case we write A equal to B. For example, we have a set A is 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, and another set B is x such that x belongs to n and x is less than 5. This is the set builder form. When we write it in the roster form, the set B is also having the elements 1, 2, 3, 4. It means A and B both are having the same elements, so we can say that A equal to B. Next is equivalent sets. Equivalent sets means two sets A and B are said to be equivalent if they have exactly the same number of elements. The difference between equal and equivalent is equal set is having the same elements, but equivalent set is having the same number of elements. The element may differ. For example, if a set A is having 1, 2, 3, 4 and another set B is A, B, C, D, then both the sets, they are having the same number of elements, 4 elements. Both the set is having 4 elements, but the elements, they are not same. So, they are equivalent set but not equal sets. So, that's all for today. Thank you.